Alright, just wanted to make a quick video. I have the Deltaplastik C7R Corvette body installed, Killerbody light kit, and I also installed the TP5680 1440 kV motor and a Futaba GYC 441 gyroscope. So the lights are dim. When you hit the gas, they light up, and when you hit brake or reverse, those light up. Running a fairly conservative 30-46 gearing, and of course we got traffic. Just a 4S parallel, runs straight as an arrow. Really loving this car. Hope to get it out to the track one of these days, but summer's starting to come to a close, so I'm not sure if it's going to happen this year or not. Anyways, that's about all for tonight. Thanks for watching, guys.